channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now and sell now, you're straight up on the wrong stream. But if you're going to be looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any trades that you take upon yourself. Please use the right risk management, because that's everything that you need to profitably trade these markets. And any risk that you take upon yourself. Okay, don't use more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. What's up, you guys? I hope you're doing well. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? Kyle, Shelby, Jared, Dickens, Tiger Lily, Kamesky. Hey guys. Okay, I'm gonna start to share my screen with you all now. Alright, so this is gold currently. Okay, we've been oversold, we pushed higher, we accumulated some orders, we continued to push even higher, and then we sold off on gold. There was a massive wick rejection that kicked in on gold from right there. Okay, let's see if they want to get a retracement. We also have some news, excuse me guys, we also have some news that's going to be out in the next about 8.5 minutes. I am gonna be a little conservative today, okay? Let me tell you guys why. I didn't get a chance to trade London with cash because I was caught up with a little bit of work, but I tried to hop on a trade right after London, and the markets are choppy. All right, I lost 1% for the day, so I'm down by 1% today, and I'm just watching. All right, based off of my trading plan, I'm not going to be getting into any more trades for the rest of the day, but it's all good. All right, I'm only human. I too got a little emotional in these markets today, and I could have closed out at 0.5%, but sometimes overconfidence can completely throw you off your game. All right, and I was a victim to that today, and it's all good. I'm down by 1%. I'm still I made some money. Yesterday, so it's pretty much more or less bought me to break even for the week, but the week's only getting started, and I thought I'd just share that with you guys. Okay, but I'm definitely going to be a little more conservative today, smaller lots, choppy markets, and I'm just going to try and bring myself back to break even if that happens. All right, if it doesn't happen and I don't see any opportunities arise, it's all good. Okay, I'll make it up tomorrow. There's always going to be tomorrow. There's always going to be another day. All right, these are the indices for y'all. Okay, there's no clear direction in these markets today, you guys. I just want to put that out. Yes, there is volume. We're seeing the markets move, but it seems like one of those days where TA is not perfectly respected. Okay, and the market is going to do this sometimes. You guys are going to be fine as long as you'll have good risk management, but again, it's the markets. Okay, they can get the best of us. What's up with you guys? Did you all have a good London session? I saw the moves kicked in on London, and I tried trading post market open for London, which is what caught me today. Market's been weird lately. Well, the markets are never really that weird. Um, but yeah, it's we can get angsty sometimes, right? Cram, I don't know if this is weird to say, but it gives me some motivation when you share these experiences with us, right? The trade, and it shows how important risk management, even when you're so experienced. Of course, buddy. Listen, we're all about putting it all in front of you guys, and we like being as transparent as we possibly can with y'all. And anyone that tells you they don't have losses, guys, they're full of shit, straight up. Excuse my language, but this game, the losses are part of it, okay? And it's not how you sort of it's not how much money you make or how much money you lose, but it's more about how you deal with the losses. Because when there are profits, everyone's happy, everyone's good, you feel good. But when you take an L, that's when you sort of start to get consumed by these markets slowly and slowly and slowly and slowly. So you always have to be headstrong. You always have to stick with your plan, and just respect the discipline. That's all it is, right? But of course, buddy, whenever things like this happen, I'm gonna be the first one to let you guys know. I promise y'all that, okay? Got some tips for London. Good. Okay, gold right now. It's trying. It definitely is trying. I just want to take a look at the higher time frame on gold. Okay. We just broke past some serious supply. Let's see. Let's see if we want to break past that and make that wick fill, okay? But the shots about a couple of minutes back were really good on gold. Okay, please be careful. We have a red folder that's going to be out in the next 4 minutes as well. If y'all don't feel comfortable trading, y'all don't have to, alright? Y'all need to realize that there's going to be some traffic that you guys face in this region, and once y'all break past that, then most likely we're going to go for the wick fill, okay? And I'm just going to leave this there for now, and we're also building into a nice steady uptrend. Alright, so maybe we could possibly also end up doing something like that. Alright, so that would be our final TP in case price wants to do that. So I'm going to put the short positions in this region. Okay, safer shots are going to be here, and I'm going to put it here today. Alright, so that's gold for y'all. And let's take a look at all of this, if we need any changes over here. Okay. Alright, just give me a quick second, you guys. Perfect. Okay. Alright, so straight up on the dirty, this whole region, I'm going to get rid of our 5-minute support right there, because this whole region is now going to act up as some demand. Okay, and where is our buy structure going to be? Our buy structure is going to be on the break of this guy. Okay, and a lot of y'all must be thinking, can we scalp into that supply? Yes, 100% you can if you feel confident about it, but my recommendation, y'all don't have to do it. Okay, listen, I'm not going to stop you guys from doing what y'all want to do in these markets, because like I say, we're not a buy or sell channel, but I can tell you guys what I'm going to do, right? And I'm going to stay away from these markets not till we break our key levels. Okay, so we have supply, we have demand, the buys will be up there for me. Okay, test that out and then potentially higher. And of course, if we want to start a short this market, we'll be looking at this and test that region out. Okay, so that's that, and we have a quick scalp that could come in over here for Nasdaq. You could potentially buy into supply and below the break of your demand down there. Can you take a look at gold? Sure. Okay, there you go. Let's see if they want to close. All right, 13 seconds for news. Let's have a good one. Let's not be stressing too much in these markets. If you're not comfortable, wait for a candle to close. Okay, this is news. Okay, negative Canadian news is out. Did the indices do anything? Alright, a little bit of an indecision going on there. Look at that. Nice. We're going for the wick fill. Okay, you guys had a good chance to get in. I personally didn't get in on this, but as you can see, it respected our structure beautifully. We had a break, we had a retest, we had a rejection, and we're now pushing to the upside. Is anyone in on gold right now? And if you're in on gold with the Forex entry exit strategy, you should be running about 34 pips at this point. Okay, and counting, and counting. So what I'd like to do over here is draw a nice little box of supply, because we know that we're going to have some sellers sitting here. Realize your profits, okay, because that was the point of me putting that supply. Alright, this was a quick scalp. Did anyone catch that? Did anyone get that scalp? The wick fill on gold. In and out gold W. Awesome, man. Lovely. Okay. Beautifully respected the entry exit strategy. Lovely. Gold W, you made 10%. That's crazy, man. Good on you. Congratulations. 10%. Yeah. That's a bit too risky. Okay, now they're starting to reverse. Yeah, but 10% is how much were you risking on that trade, buddy? Sahil Sakia, how much were you risking on that trade? Because if you were risking 10% of your account for that on news, buddy, you've got some work to do. Okay. Alright, clean move though, clean move. Guys, you'll need to understand risk management. Wow, look at Nasty, it's freaking tanking. But yeah, you'll need to understand risk management is everything. Okay, 10% it can go in your favor, no problem. But if it goes against you, it could be a little bit of an issue. Alright, this is what I tell my army of millionaires on the one-on-one sessions as well. That risk management is everything. It's everything. Having a good risk to reward ratio is a completely different thing altogether, right? So you could be risking 1% and making 10%. Now that's where you want to be at, but don't be risking 10% to make 10. So it opened up. It was open since 3 years. Oh, nice. Okay, so you were already in on the trade. Good stuff. Good stuff. Congratulations to you, buddy. Okay. Gold starting to drop. If you guys don't feel comfortable getting in between all of this traffic, seriously don't. I personally, I'm going to be looking for a breakdown here. Okay. Risk 2%. Good stuff, man. Good risk to reward ratio. I like that. Congratulations, my man. When are you doing the one-on-one sessions? Well, I think Cash gave away the last session yesterday. I don't know to whom. But she booked an express course yesterday. So no, currently we don't have any openings. Oh, to my surprise, Sahil Sakia, the guy that just made 10%. I think Cash booked Sahil Sakia yesterday. Awesome. So no, sorry buddy, but Sahil just took the last session, the last express course. We'll let you guys know when there are any more openings. Okay. Hi Emily, how's it going? Your session's finally approaching. I hope you're excited. Okay, I'm watching you guys. I'm not in on anything. Um, I don't want to fall into the trap like I did earlier today. Okay, so I'm gonna be patient, and I'm gonna be conservative. Okay, I just don't want to take another L. That's all. It don't matter if I don't make a profit, but my attempt is gonna be to bring myself back to break even today. Coming from work, I'm stressed for first session. You don't have to be stressed about it. Just come in with an open mind, and I'll take care of everything for you. Okay? You don't have to worry. It's gonna be a good session. I promise you that. Where are you from? I'm originally Indian. I was born and raised in Dubai. How's your day, Kram? Hope all is good. It's going just fine, Emily. Thank you so much. I'm having a great day. Okay, now they're attempting to pick up some buyers from here on Nasdaq. I wouldn't mind getting in on the buys. Let me tell you where. Okay, even though the sells do look pretty strong right now, I'm just gonna fix the sells up a little bit. Okay, you guys, let's bring this here. And gold's doing something. Yeah, it's doing nothing. Let's bring this down here. Okay, because now clearly we've established some buyers in that zone. Okay, so the buyers potentially could be coming in somewhere in this region as well. Okay, wait for price to do its thing though. I know a buddy in Mumbai. Awesome. Where in India are you from? From Mumbai. The city of dreams. Okay. Right, gold's being extremely choppy, you guys. Are we getting rejected from the EMA? That's exactly what I thought. Okay, so super choppy on gold. Okay, they're not giving you any sort of real confirmation. In Mumbai, where you live, I'm not giving my address out on a stream, buddy. What the hell? Okay, watch out for the Nasdaq impulse. Okay, if you guys are in on anything right now, it should only be a feeler. I do not feel comfortable on this trade. Okay, I feel like I'm my emotions are definitely kicking in today, guys. I'm not like I have nothing to hide from you guys. I trade with you guys live every single day. I've been doing it for a year at a stretch now, and I just don't feel confident. I'm not able to find that perfect setup that where my gut screams and tells me that take it. So uh, I'm okay sitting on the sidelines. I'd rather sit on the sidelines than let my emotions get the best of me and take another L, right? Um, so I'm watching. Okay, I'm definitely not getting in on an impulse. Maybe a little bit of a retest rejection, but these markets are not respecting TA today. Okay, they haven't been all day, not for London, and it doesn't look like they're doing it for New York right now as well. The other day, my taxi driver was an Indian Sikh. He was such a lovely guy. Oh yeah, I've got a couple of Sikh friends, and they're really nice. Really nice. Especially since I grew up outside of India. Um, I mean, at least in Dubai, we had a lot of Pakistanis around us. We had a lot of different cultures just within India from around us. A lot of Arabic people. We grew up amongst a lot of very very nice people from different nationalities. Um, was lucky enough to have that exposure in my life. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Tisu. But again, I wouldn't be getting in not till we get any sort of confirmation. Because I don't like this 4-hour support that's coming down there, right? So I'd be more inclined towards this move, towards this, right? Because I know, like, of course, if you're going to be fast enough, you should be able to scalp a nice 30 pip move. But it's not aligning up to me. You know, the charts, they're not pleasing my eye today. And I don't know how else to explain that to you guys, but we've traded these markets so much at this point that just looking at the chart and looking at how it's respecting our zones, sometimes it doesn't look good. And today is one of those days. Okay, so my bad, Nasdaq never closed within our box. Let's bring that 4-hour resistance down there. Okay, starting to look good on the dirty. What am I looking for on the dirty? That. Zone 1, TP1, that's about 25 pips, roundabout. TP2. Is anyone in on any trades right now, or did we just have people that made money on gold and you're just watching now? Okay, gold's starting to kick in. The cells look good. The cells look good, okay, but I want a little more of a structure break. Okay, let's tighten this up, alright? Let's get that. Let's get that. Okay. It's momentum kicking in, or at least they're trying to. And now just based off of this wick, one-on-ones, what have we identified here? Good job, Zero. Good job. Good job. Okay. So we have some buyers that are stepping in at this region, and because we had this wick up, it gives us a nice little understanding that we should be able to tighten up our levels and look for this BOS that could potentially happen. And Nasdaq is not giving us anything as of right now. Okay, nothing. I'm in a gold sell fever. Be careful, buddy. Even though that should play out, but you may have to go through the emotions from it. You may have to. You could expect price to maybe go up to that. Where your focus needs to be is the fact that you don't want to be breaking this region and pushing higher, right? So your stop loss for your feeler should be at that EMA, which also aligns up coincidentally with, well, not coincidentally, that's calculated, but with our 5-minute resistance, sorry, 15-minute resistance. So that gives you about a 33 pip stop loss for your feeler, 30 pips. Feeler with 20 pip stop. Okay, that's good. Okay, I am not in on anything, if any of you guys are wondering. Still not in on nothing, okay? I like this structure break in case it wants to happen. And if we want to start to reverse, we could maybe look at that zone. Okay, zone to zone to zone. It's gonna take a lot to break that for our support buddy. It's gonna take a lot. Dirty. Okay. Starting to kick in. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. I'm gonna wait. This candle's about to close in the next couple seconds. Let's see if we have a retest and a rejection. Okay, that's a retest. They could retest even maybe up there. Okay, let's see if we have the momentum to push down from here. Okay. Alright, I got in at this region, guys. Small position, nothing too big, 50 bucks a pip, running by about half a pip right now. I'm gonna watch it really closely because I don't want this reversing on me like I told you. Okay, all we need to do is we need to reject this and just push down a little more. Right, a little drop and we should be good. Where should your stop loss be for this? If you're in on this position, where my stop loss is going to be right above that, right? So it could go up just slightly higher and that's going to be my stop for this. Is gold doing something? Not as yet. Gold is still more or less dancing around in that zone. You see what I mean? TA is just not being respected today. And there are going to be days like these in the forex markets. Okay, if we push up a little higher, I'm getting out straight up. I'm out. I took about a $400 loss on this, and that's okay. $400 on my account, not a big deal. But this to me most certainly is Q, that cram. You shouldn't be trading today. Alright, that death cross may or may not happen, and it's not something that we want to be banking upon and just sort of risking our lots with. Okay, but literally guys, I'm not taking no more trades today. I'm good. Okay, US 30 is also doing a little bit of a retest at this time. Gold retest. I'm sorry, I don't see a retest on gold right now. Okay, Nasdaq's pushing bullish. That was the low, alright? It was a fake out for the break of our structure, but it seems like they want to go bullish. Okay, now it depends from here. If we want to pick up resistance from down there and continue to make this, we could just be trying to pick up volume and then push down harder. You know what I'm saying? So let's see if they want to do that. If not, they're just going to push, and they're going to make this a nice inverse head and shoulders and push higher. There you go. They picked up buyers from our demand, you guys. I'm glad I had a stop loss on this guy, okay? Extremely choppy, extremely choppy. These markets are not markets that should be traded, okay? There's nothing going on and there's no reason for y'all to be trading this chop. Literally, if I'm having a hard time trading these markets, I can only imagine what some of y'all are currently going through. Alright, so just stay away and remember, there's always going to be another day. There's always going to be another trade, and there's always going to be another opportunity. I didn't trade anything. Happy with my 0.25 on London. Congratulations, buddy. %, JJ. 100%. Gold's not doing anything, guys. I don't know what y'all want to tell me about gold, because I don't know what y'all want me to tell y'all about gold, because gold's currently not doing anything. Chop City, okay? Chop City today. it's a stop loss hunt for the retail. Right now, as a retail, the only thing that we don't have is volume. It's the lots. And buddy, what do you want?